Hi, I'm Dion. I'm welcome to leadingcertainmathsvideos.com, the tutorial section. Now here I'm going to show you about the chain rule, okay? You're going to have to get to know this because we could work triangles by number theorems by multiplying, but we're going to get more higher powers. So we're going to have to learn how to use the chain rule, okay? So the first step is we're going to have to use a substitution here. I am going to let u equal x plus 5. Right? And then differentiate u with respect to x. So du dx is equal to 1. Very straightforward because we know the derivative of constant 0, okay? So now we want dy dx. Just remember that, we want dy dx. But we change x plus 5 to u. So y is equal to u to the power of 4. Okay, so we can't differentiate y with respect to x because we have a u term on the right hand side. What we can do is we can differentiate y with respect to u. So dy du is equal to 4u cubed, which is very straightforward. Now, what we should also know is, that's dy du. We have du dx. We want dy dx. That's what we want. So we can say dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. Okay, and then make a simple crossover, which gives us dy dx. So dy dx equals dy dx. Okay, that's right. So what we do here is we have dy du equals 4u cubed times du dx, which is equal to 1. So that implies dy dx is equal to 4u cubed, which is 4 times u, which is x plus 5, all to the cube. Okay, so that's one example of the chain rule. I'm going to use it, well, I'll go through it quickly first. Okay, so y equals x plus 5, we get u equals x plus 5. And then we differentiate u with respect to x, and that gives 1. And we fill in the value of u here. Y is u to the power 4. We differentiate this normally. So we get dy du to 4u cubed. But that doesn't work because we have dy du, we want dy dx. So you know dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. And that's exactly what we did. We substitute u back in, which is equal to 4 times x plus 5 cubed. Okay? Just a harder example here. If we had y equals x squared plus 4x to the power of 8. Okay? Now, first step is again a substitute. Okay, we're going to draw a line on the right hand side just to make it easy. U easy to watch there. U is equal to x squared plus 4x. Okay, the u dx is equal to 2x plus 4. Basic differentiation there, okay? Now we're going to substitute u in here. Or, yeah, u in here. Y is equal to u to the power of 8. So therefore, dy du is equal to 8 times u to the power of 7. But, again, we want dy dx. Okay? So we know dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. Because they obviously just cancel off and give you the y dx again, okay? So that's 8 u power of 7 multiplied by 2x plus 4. Right, we're going to change u to the power of 7, so that is equal to 8 times 2 u to the power of 7, which is x squared plus 4x. Power of 7 times 2x plus 4. Or you can call it like, you can multiply that out if you want, so it'll be 16x plus 32. Okay, so that's basically it. The chain rule is actually relatively straightforward. You just use the substitution that u equal the term in the bracket, okay? U is equal to x squared plus 4x. To differentiate u with respect to x, choose u equal to 2x plus 4. And then we put u back in here. So y is equal to u to the power of 8. straightforward there. You differentiate here, y to the u power base dy du, reduce by 1, or bring 8 down, reduce by 1, dy dx equal to 8 u to the power of 7. And then we have to use a bit of math magic here. dy dx equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. dy du is 8 u to the 7, du dx is equal to 2x plus 4. We multiply that out. Eventually that gives us this, okay? So we're going to show you next a little shortcut on the chain rule, okay? So if you're like fairly confident with it, and you get good at a few questions, here's just a shortcut here. So we had y equals 6 times x cubed plus 3x. Well, what I do is, I know how to do the shortcut, sorry, to the power of 7 set. dy dx. Now, the shortcut is, when you just get used to it, you kind of realize this. You just differentiate it as normal, okay? And then just multiply it by the derivative of the brackets. Differentiate it as normal, which is 72 times x cubed plus 3x, all to the power of 6, because we reduce power by 1. So that's pretty straightforward somewhere. Then all we have to do is multiply by the derivative of the brackets. What's the derivative of the inside the brackets? 3x squared plus 3. Okay, you can multiply that out as well, so 42 times 3x squared plus 3. But that's basically it, dy dx is equal to that, and that's how you use the chain rule. It's really straightforward. You just differentiate as normal and then multiply it by the derivative of the brackets. Okay, so stay tuned for the quotient rule and the product rule coming up, okay? And if you like this video, please add me on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. The links should be on the right hand side of your page. Cheers.